Welcome back, friends, to another video. In today's video, you are going to see Sofia and Lucas make my favorite dessert, which is a chia pudding. So I'm going to be sharing that recipe with you guys. I'm also going to show you this Cuisinart coffee grinder that I bought just because it's really versatile. It's really small and really inexpensive, but it also gets the job done and I'm loving it. I will also show you and share with you a couple of the toys that the kids are really enjoying to play with lately. And lastly, you'll join us for Sofia's third birthday. We had something really intimate here in the house, had a couple of our closest family members over and just enjoyed family time. I will be sure to link this Cuisinart coffee grinder. And this coffee here, by the way, is a coffee that my brother brought from the Philippines and it was so delicious. I'm going to be looking for it on Amazon to see if I can find it. And if so, I will link it for you guys as well. It was such a strong and delicious and smooth espresso. My husband and I both really loved it. And here are the beans after grinding. And just wanted to reiterate, this is not a paid review. This is just a machine that I'm really, really enjoying using. I bought it with my own money. It costs less than $20, but wanted to share that this is a great way to enjoy good quality coffee and fresh coffee at home. It's just grinding your own.
22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27.
27.
Yeah, 27. Now it's Mommy, get colored there. Get played down. Welcome to this new video and a vlog. And this is new dinosaur. Guys, you're a pirate dinosaur. Guys, you're a dinosaur. And that's a pirate dinosaur. Whoa. Can we make some? Whoa. This is a 20 miles. Can we make this?
But slowly, okay?
Do you need egg? Whoa! Mix it.
Yes, you can put it.
Mommy, now it's my turn.
Oh, Sofia.
Can I do it first?
Here, Lucas.
We're making a mess.
Please don't make any messes.
We're going to make now.
Okay. Mix it really well.
That's it. Look at the delicious. Like tomatoes.
You have to keep mixing. This is a recipe from the channel Flav City, which I love, and I did insert one of their clips here. You'll see it a little bit later of the final product.
Mix.
You want to put them in?
Yes. No!
Sofia, wait, your turn.
Now it's your turn, Sofia.
Now you have to mix. Okay, Sofia, this is your turn.
It's your turn? That's your turn?
Mix.
It's my lawn.
Mix a little bit more.
Whoa. It's my turn?
That's it. Okay, go. Sofia's turn will be at the end. Gently, please.
I'm going to add now.
Daddy's hiking. I inserted a clip here of the final product because I neglected to show you guys. But just wanted to remind you guys that chia pudding is packed with fiber and good protein, and it's a really, really good alternative for a healthy and satisfying snack or dessert. As you know, if you follow me over on Instagram, I am obsessed with papaya. So here's just a shot of me cutting the papaya and getting it ready to add some yogurt on here, cacao nibs, and flaxseed. And that's just how I enjoy my papaya for breakfast.
My box. Secondly, it's my order. What's this stupid thing? Mommy. What's the order? Stupid thing. Mommy, I just thought you were going to talk to me. Well, look at how Mommy you can.
Let's pick this one.
Hello. How you say Allison? How you say Allison here? See Owen? How you see Owen?
No, I haven't seen Owen, sorry.
Owen is in the with you.
Oh,
Can you see her?
Owen is your dad. Okay, Owen is in the restroom then.
No, Owen didn't know my dad. Just Owen.
Oh, okay, sorry. Lucas, tell our friends what you were doing, what you were working on.
You can tag me with this one, Daddy.
Okay. Would you like some coffee, sir? Would you like some coffee? Okay, give me your cup.
No, I some dinner, Mommy. We are eating.
Okay. Can I have some cake, please?
I'm so delicious. Chocolate. No.
Chocolate cake?
Yeah.
Lucas, you have cake too.
Mmm.
You have cake right here.
Can I have some of your cake?
Uh-huh.
And the name and the shapes. Yeah, I have chocolate.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Would you like some egg? Would you like some egg?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I have the cake on my plate?
This toy here is a coding robot that we purchased for Lucas for Christmas, and he's been really enjoying playing this. We'll give you a little demonstration of how it works, but I'll also link it for you.
That one?
Yeah.
That one? See, that's what cries. We're far away.
Oh, no, you made it go. If you watch my grocery hauls in the past, then you know I always suggest that you buy certain fruits and veggies organic. In the event that you cannot do that, then I highly recommend that you purchase this fruit and veggie wash from Trader Joe's. It's under $4 and it helps to remove some of those chemicals sprayed on fruits and veggies, especially if you need to buy conventional, then this is a great way to ensure that those chemicals are off of your fruits and veggies. Sofia, if you were wondering what we did the night before your birthday, Daddy was blowing up all of these balloons, and I'll show you what Mommy was doing. Mommy was making your cake. If you follow me over on Instagram, then you've probably already seen me make this cake. This was my first cake ever, and I think it turned out amazing. If you want the recipe and the directions and instructions, I do have a reel over on my Instagram, so be sure to check that out if you're interested in recreating it.
Look, guys, we'd like to see my birthday. Mommy, look at the dinosaurs. Dinosaurs.
Be careful, be gentle.
Dinosaurs.
Okay, just be gentle.
Mommy, that's yours. No, that's the color gold. That's the color green. I will never never touched it. Can I play with it? Mom, you look dinosaurs balloon. Can I pick up the piece? Can I pop it?
No, no popping. If we're popping, then we take it away.
Mommy, there's the yellow one. Let me go. Mommy, look.
Uh-oh.
I love this. I love this. The red balloon.
No popping balloon.
Papa, Papa. Mommy. Houses aren't as good as tree houses. Come on, girl. We don't need a silly flag.
Here is a quick shot of our appetizer, a charcuterie board, as well as chips and salsa.
Let's show us the eggs.
Show the egg. Oh, look at this. Spicers. This is our triceratops. And they are always different.